Chicken Souvlaki is one of my many favorite dishes to cook. I got that seasoning pack from Aldi, and I've never used a seasoning pack for it. I normally just do my own seasoning blend, but let's do a thing. I got that blend on my chicken. I marinated it down. I'm going to cover it up with some parchment paper and I'm going to let this rock out for a little bit. I'm going to heat my pan up. I have my avocado oil that I'm adding. I'm doing this with cauliflower rice. So that was cauliflower rice, keeping the carbs on the low. And here's my chicken. Now this chicken looks good, and actually it was very, very good. I truly enjoyed it. So it has more color to it because of the seasoning. It's not actually burning. Um, not burning at all. But we're gonna let this rock out for a little while. And you know, I've been eating at home for months now, whereas I was eating out a lot more at one time because of things that were going on in my life that kind of prevented me from being able to cook at home. However, now I'm here and I've been cooking a lot more, and it is not easy, especially to people that want to start cooking home more. I'm not even going to tell you that it's easier. It's just a lot better for you. It's a lot better for you because you know what you're eating, you know what you're adding, you know what you're putting into this food. And calories are one thing, but I know so many people that have been getting sick going out to eat. So be careful if you're going out to eat. Um, anyhow, what I feel is like the silver lining to the cloud of cooking sometimes is that when I'm plating my food up, like I love plating the food and I love a lot of colors on the plate. I love when the food looks like it's better than the restaurant. And that's what I feel sometimes. And I mean, not even to toot my own horn, but just being real about cooking at home more because that's why people get fast food, because it's fast. But when you cook home more, you get a chance to create something that looks like this. Look at all the different colors on my plate. Like the plate and the vegetables and the medley of vegetables. I have the cauliflowered rice. I have the chicken Slovaki. I have the salad with the green peppers and the on and on and on. But I had these little non-chip things, and they were so good. And this tzatziki cucumber is non-dairy. I paired it with the pickles. Here's my plate. I threw avocado on there.